Good morning everyone. I welcome all of you to the online class of maths. Today we are going to start new unit. Unit 6, which is fractions. Today we are going to understand what is a fraction, why fractions are called as a part of whole, how to write fraction names, and what is numerator and denominator. So let's begin our today's online class. First of all, let us understand that what is a fraction. Fractions help us to share a given number of objects equally. In the previous chapter, you have learnt how division helps us to share the things equally. Fractions also help us to share a given number of objects equally. I'll explain you with the help of this example. If we have 6 toffees and 2 of us want to share them equally, then we just divide 6 by 2 and you get the number of toffees each of us gets. So in this chapter, we shall learn to find the share if we have only one object or a collection of objects. So let us see how you can write the fraction. But before that, let us see how you can define a fraction. So fraction is a number that stands for part of a whole object or collection of objects. Let's understand this definition with the help of this example. This is a rectangle which is whole. If we divide this rectangle in 4 equal parts, then each part is a fraction and each part is known as a quarter. Just remember, each part should be equal. If we divide the same rectangle in 2 equal parts, then each part is known as half. Similarly, if we divide the rectangle into 4 equal parts, then 3 parts out of 4 are known as 3/4. Let's see how you can write the fractions. Look at the table which is given on the screen. On one side of the table, you can see the figures which are divided equally in some parts. Now let's see how you can write the fraction for the shaded portions. Look at the first figure, which is a circle. It is divided into 3 equal parts, and out of 3 parts, 2 are shaded. So you will write the fraction as 2 by 3. Look at the second figure, which is a square. It is again divided into 4 equal parts and 3 out of 4 parts are shaded. So for the shaded portion, you can write 3 by 4 as a fraction. In the third figure, which is again a circle, 5 parts out of 6 are shaded. So you can write 5 by 6 as a fraction for the shaded portion. Next figure is a square, which is again divided into 4 equal parts, and out of 4 parts, 2 are shaded. So 2 by 4 will be the fraction written for the shaded part. Last figure is again of circle, which is divided into 8 equal parts, and out of 8, 3 parts are shaded. So you can write the fraction as 3 by 8 for the shaded portion. So 4 by 7, this is the way in which we write fraction. 7 will be the total number of parts, and if 4 parts are shaded out of 7, then 4 will be written above the rule. The number which is written above the rule is known as numerator and the number which is written below the rule is known as denominator. Now let's see how you can write fraction names. 1/2 is a half, so you can write it as half. 3/9 can be written as 3-9s. If numerator is greater than 1, then put s while writing the fraction names with the denominator. 1/7, here numerator is 1, so you will not put s with 7, but where the numerator is greater than 1, then you have to put s with the denominator. Like in the next example, it is 6/8. 6 is the numerator which is greater than 1. So with 8, while writing fraction names, you will write s with 8. So the fraction name for 6/8 will be 6/8. Small dash is put between the numerator and denominator. So in this way you can write the fraction names. I hope all of you have understood whatever I have taught you in this video. That's all for today, children. Thank you.